tutorial, we will explore SwiftData many-to-many relationships. The tutorial is centered around building a library application where users can check out multiple books and view book availability counts and ratings. If you're interested in seeing this tutorial series, please leave a comment or like. So the first feature of the book is to check out a book. To check out a book, we can just click on the checkout button and then enter the name of the person that will be checking out the book. Click on confirm. As you can see, the book has been checked out. And another feature is the availability of that book. As you can see, for the Pride and Prejudice book, there are 9 books available. Before, there were 10. And another feature is to rate the book. If we want to, we can rate the book for Pride and Prejudice. Just click on the rating link, and then we can rate the books or the book by using the stars. Click on confirm button, and now you can see that the book has been rated 4 out of 5 stars. And then to return the book, we can click on the checkout tab item and then click on the return button. But I'll just show you that this book can be booked out many times. So I check out another book. I check out the same book again, which is Pride and Prejudice. And as you can see, the count is now 8. So there's now 8 books available. So that means the Pride and Prejudice book has been checked out twice by me. And if I wanted to check out another book or check out another book as a different user, I will just check out To Kill a Mockingbird. And for this user name, I'll just use the name as Andrew. And as you can see, To Kill a Mockingbird, it's been checked out once, so there's 9 books available. If I go to the checked out tab item, you can see that Andrew has checked out the book once. And then to return the book that I have checked out, all I do is click on the return button. For example, I will return one of the Pride and Prejudice books. Click on the name that's assigned to the book. So this is the username that's assigned to the book. As you can see, the book Pride and Prejudice has been returned. So if I click on the library tab, now it has 9 available books for Pride and Prejudice. And we can also filter the books in alphabetical order, in descending or ascending order, by clicking on the A to Z. And we can search for different book titles as well. So this is the tutorial that we will create. So if you're interested in seeing this tutorial, please leave a like or comment. And when I get at least 50 likes or comments, I'll create the tutorial. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.